How to remove business account from Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials, as in your username and the password, and sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this homepage of Instagram. Once you are in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Over here you can see that I am on my business account. Well, if you want to remove, what you want to do is click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll down, inside for professionals, head over to business tools and controls. The optional switch account type will be available to you. Click on it. And then click on switch to personal account. Once again click on switch to personal account. Now if you go back to your profile, you can see that your business account has been removed successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove business account from Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.